In this video, I will share with you step-by-step instruction and information how to make a pancake from scratch. Many people are allergic to some of the ingredients in pancake mix, so it is very easy for you to select your special ingredients and make your own pancake mix. So to make my pancake, I'll be using a cup of flour, self-rising flour, a half a cup of sugar, I'll be using 3 eggs, I'll be using vanilla extract, I'll be using a little salt, I'll be also using a cup of milk. I'll be also using nutmeg. And this is my bowl. I'll be mixing. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to get notified when I do more videos like this. Highly motivate me to do more videos like this. That's for sure. So I break my egg. 3 eggs. So that's my 3 eggs. And I have my whisking my egg here with my small storage mixer. Alright. Then I will be adding my cup of milk, then alright. So that's my milk. Now I will add 1 cup of flour, self-rising flour. I will add sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar. I will add my vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. I will add a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Then this is my nutmeg. So I'm gonna just go into in it. Mix again. That's it. Okay, so I will turn my stove on. Put my pot on the fire. This is my spray, cooking spray. This is made with 100% coconut oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use any. Wait again. Middle, and as much as I can. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna flip again. Flipping is easy, just one go, that's it. Worry about a little bit chicken, just. Okay, so this is the next one complete over here. So you can make as much as I can. Spray up. Remember, I'm using cooking spray. This is coconut, it is 100% coconut oil. You can use any the choice. You don't feel if you have a spray, you can use coconut oil, cooking oil, vegetable oil. Put in the pot, use a brush and brush the pot, or use a piece of hand towel. Alright. Okay, so here's my mix. Throw it in the middle. Middle, and as much as I can. Right. Alright, so I'm gonna flip again. Flipping is easy, just one go, that's it. Worry about a little bit of chicken, just. Okay, so this is the next one complete over here. So you can make as much as I can. Spray up. Remember, I'm using cooking spray. This is coconut, it is 100% coconut oil. You can use any the choice. You don't feel if you don't have a spray, you can use coconut oil, cooking oil, vegetable oil. Put in the pot, use a brush and brush the pot, or use a piece of hand towel. Alright. Stop it. Okay, so alright, this is my pancakes. I gotta explain what's happening here. So this pancake, it was, what would I say, too wide and maybe never cooked crispy enough, so it break. Alright. This pancake, it was a bit too hot, so it intends to look a bit crispy. So I'm just showing you what can go wrong. This two pancake is perfect. Perfect, right color, right look, right temperature, cook at the right temperature. So just make your pancake and enjoy. So Jolie, what can we put on these pancakes?
Syrup.
Alright, syrup. So remember, this crispy one was done at a higher temperature. So if you like it crispy, you do it at a higher temperature. but it don't look presentable as this one. So with pancake, most of the time you can enjoy a pancake with syrup. That's right, yeah. Butter rich syrup, maple syrup, whatever, anything of your choice. But that's it. This is easy way to make pancake from scratch. So remember to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me hear your views. Did I do a good job? Did I do a that bad job? It could be better. It's always great to listen and hear your review. So thank you all for watching. So this is my easy pancake mix. No, this is not a mix. I made it, make it from scratch. I made this pancake from scratch. So tell me what you think about this pancake. If it was great, if you're looking good, if you like the recipe,